Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about some of the new and upcoming Windows 11 notifications and focus settings. So we just did a video on how to go through your notifications and adjust them and play with your focus assist rules and that kind of thing. But now it seems that Microsoft is changing this quite a bit, so it's going to work a little differently. So we thought we'd just kind of show you what's going to be coming up in case you are the type who likes to set your notifications so you don't get bothered by stuff all the time. So if you don't know, your notifications pop up from the down here by the system tray here. You'll have a little number. Then you could click on down here and bring up your notifications. But I don't have any on this computer. Like right down here, we have some notifications. And you click on that. And it just kind of shows you what's coming up there. So, okay, so this Windows 11 Pro computer, this is the current version of Windows. Then we have this Windows 11 Home that's using the Windows Insider program with the dev settings. So that way it gets the updates before they're finalized. So this has the newer notification settings. So, okay, going back to the original one, we have under System, we have Notifications and Focus Assist, where the new one's going to be Notifications and then just Focus. It's just going to be called Focus instead of Focus Assist. So under Notifications on the current way, you could turn notifications on and off, and then you could just kind of see your notifications based on apps, and you could turn them on and off from there. And then you have a couple things on the bottom here for suggestions on how to set up your device and Windows tips, which you could turn on and off. So pretty simple. So the new way, under notifications, you could turn notifications on and off, and then you have this Do Not Disturb, which you could turn on, where you could just have this on and not be bothered at all until you turn it off. And then you have this option for turn on Do Not Disturb automatically, where you could go and check the box and set a time to where you don't want notifications to bother you. So if you're going to be doing some kind of Zoom meeting or something where you're sharing your screen and you don't want your notifications popping up, you could check this box and then just set the time where you don't want to be notified, and then you could set it for daily, weekends, and weekdays if you want to just leave it on. And then you have the same kind of settings, duplicating your display, playing a game, blah, blah, blah. So these are the same as the old one. Then you got priority notifications, which are kind of the same as the other one too. They're just kind of in a different place. And then focus is different. So let me go back to the current one, where you have Focus Assist, where you could turn it off, priority only, alarms only, and then you could set your Focus Assist rules, which we just saw in the other one. And the new one, where it's just called Focus, you could start what's called a focus session, where you will not be bothered during that session. So if you want to set, adjust the time here, and during the session here, it'll show a little timer. It'll hide badges. So if you have like little badges that pop up for messages and stuff, it'll hide that stuff. And then when your taskbar items flash when something new happens, it'll hide that and automatically turn on Do Not Disturb. So if you click Start Focus Session, you can see it has this little timer down here. No new notifications, Do Not Disturb is on, but you can still click on your notifications if you want. And then these kind of get grayed out. And then it'll turn off automatically when it's done, or you can come back here and click on Stop Focus Session and then go back to normal. So as you can see, it's, a lot of stuff's the same, but there are some changes. So if you're, like I said, if you're one that likes to use the notification settings, then get ready to have some new options and have to do some reconfiguration. All right, so I'll put a link to the other video in the description so you can see how things are currently set up, and then you could watch that, and then when the new update comes out, you could come back here and compare the difference yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.